guys, and very good day from Berlin Brandenburg Airport. Today I'll be flying to Athens with Scoot on board their 787-8 aircraft on a For Freedom flight. So I'm pretty much looking forward to this flight, as you normally don't get the chance to be on a long haul aircraft on a short haul flight. So let's see how Scoot is going to be and see you guys on the plane. Enjoy the report. I'd like to take this opportunity to just appreciate the Christmas tree they built up outside the terminal building. This is pretty cool. I've seen that already in Vilnius in Lithuania, I believe. However, enough of that. Let's head right inside the Terminal 1 to the check-in. The Scoot check-in is located at Concourse 1, counters 111 to 115 today. There are actually quite some flights leaving from here today. I honestly did not expect that, as COVID restrictions are still kicking in. But anyway, another cool thing is that they show the waiting time at the security control on a monitor, so you know beforehand which security control you should take. And of course, you guys can also find a huge duty-free shop right behind the security control. Talking about the security control, that was pretty much just a mess. And here you guys can see today's Boeing 787-8 aircraft taking me to Athens soon. My gate is about to close now, so let's head there as quick as possible.
Staff members to wear a mouth and nose protection as currently required.
I'm really so excited to see what the cabin looks like. Can't wait to get in. Hey guys, how are you? Oh, good, you? Thank you, thank you. Well, I finally made it to my seat. The wing view is pretty cool, I would say. However, let's check out the seat. So, as you can see, this is a budget airline because there is no IFE monitor or anything in front of me. And the leg room is also pretty narrow for a long-haul aircraft. However, since I'm only flying to Athens, it's quite fine. You can find the safety card in the seat pocket in front. Here is a foldable table, nothing special at all. And also the cabin crew handed out these care kits during boarding, featuring a face mask, hand sanitizer and disinfect surface wipes whatsoever. That's pretty cool because it's also for free. Other airlines such as Condor charge you 3, 4, 5 euros for this. So yeah, quite happy with that. Let's fly to Athens.
This is your captain and crew. Welcome aboard Scoot flight TR723 bound for Singapore with stopover at Athens, where a new set of crew will take over for the transit passengers. There's a quick action of the crew today on this flight. We've been the flight decks, the first officer Alan. The cabin, we have an excellent crew in charge, Mr. Johnson, and his very good set of Scooties to ensure your safety and to make sure that you're well looked after. Certainly enjoy our flight with us today. Our flight time, we're looking at 2 hours and 30 minutes.
The cabin was secured for takeoff by the cabin crew. My seatbelt is now securely fastened. And we are lining up the runway. So let's get this bird to Athens. quickly after takeoff, the cabin crew started to hand out the pre-ordered hot meals. However, you can still purchase some on board, and the menu can be found on Scoot's in-flight Wi-Fi network, which we will be checking out now. What do you guys think about the artificial window dimming system of a Boeing 787? Feel free to let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. And finally, here is my meal. I went for a chicken biryani. I can't see the chicken so far, but I think it's somewhere hidden under the rice. Among a Coke, and because I have a lovely crew today, I got this green tea for free. Because I had a nice conversation with them in the back. And they were like, yeah, you know what, you want a green tea as well? I was like, yeah, sure. So they gave me this one for free as well. So it doesn't look too bad all in all. So let's check out what it tastes like. Spicy. As I have already said before, the cabin crew handed out these hygiene kits during boarding, and this is the content. There is a face mask inside, as well as some disinfection wipes for your hands or surfaces, and some hand sanitizer. And once again, I have to say, and I have to really point out that this is really cool, and I never had an airline handing out these little hand sanitizer tubes to the passengers for free. That's really, really cool. So, good job, Scoot. And last but not least, I would like to show you guys the safety card of today's Boeing 787-8 aircraft. So let's fold it out. There we go. Nothing too special. And there is also a waste bag, or sick bag, in the seat pocket at front, which has also a little Scoot branding. Pretty cool. As we are slowly getting closer to Athens, I would now say that it's time to check out the lavatory. Hello from the rear lavatory of this Boeing 787 aircraft. How is this flight so far? Honestly, I can't complain about anything. I mean, like, the aircraft interior isn't that cool because it's a budget airline, but that's okay. The crew is doing a fantastic job. They're really lovely, really kind. They even explained me the Wi-Fi network and everything because I had some issues with that. So yeah, as you can see, the fasten seatbelt sign was just turned on again, so I have to head back to my seat quickly. Quick view of the lavatory. That's it. So far, thanks Scoot for the great flight. Let's head back to my seat.
Depending on air traffic control, estimating landing at approximately 3:05 p.m. Weather-wise, reported the ground temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. That's 16 degrees Celsius. Gusty conditions. Highly recommended to seatbelt fasten whenever you are seated. Upon for parents and passengers towards Singapore, there will be another set of crew will be taking over. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with Scoot. We hope to see you around again all of us in the near future. Happy holidays and a pleasant day. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival. Thank you.
The cabin crew turned on the normal lights again and secured the cabin properly for landing. And we are already on our kind of bumpy final approach into Athens airport.
Please remain seated and do not move your core. We seek your understanding and support. Our pleasure flying together today. We hope we made the connection with you despite the safe distancing. Thank you for flying with Scoot, a member of the Airline. We hope to smile with you on your next flight with us. Stay healthy, be safe, and have a great evening ahead.
Cabin crew doors please, thank you.
Time to say goodbye to my seat 25K. Bye bye. So let's head outside. Alright, time to say goodbye to Scoot's Boeing 787-8 that took me from Berlin to Athens quite safe and comfortably. So let's go for the final question. How was today's flight? All in all, I can't complain at all. I have to say that I had a fantastic crew. All of them had a really great and fantastic attitude. They were lovely, they were kind. As you can see, I'm really happy with the crew. However, coming to the aircraft interior, well, it was decent, and I knew before that it will be like a budget interior, as Scoot is also a budget airline, obviously, so I'm quite fine with it. Everything was clean, everything was fine, so no complaints about that. The meal service was also quite cool. It was really delicious. It was just a bit spicy, but the flight attendant already said this before, so it was like my own fault. However, in the end, I can totally recommend taking Scoot on this freedom flight. And thank you guys for coming along today. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Cheers.